invited a special guest, Yunus.
He's going to be preparing a traditional Moroccan dish and showing us all the steps so you can do it at home too.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna do Tagine which is a very famous and delicious dish in Morocco.
So the first step is cutting the onion, and we need about half an onion. So make sure you cut it into small pieces so we can use it later in the meal. So the next step is having the minced beef ready. So now we can add the onions, and then we add all the spices like ground cumin, like a teaspoon of it is enough. Then we add cinnamon, also a teaspoon. And then finally we add the paprika, also a teaspoon. And then make sure you mix it really well. So the thing we do next is doing the meatballs. Just make sure they're not too big and not too small, just like this one. So the next thing we do is we grate the tomatoes, and the best thing is to cut them in half and then quarter them like I did here, and then just make sure you take the big holes and you rub them against here, but we don't use the skin. The skin is going to be left over, and this is how we make our sauce. Just do this with the whole kilogram of tomatoes. It will take some time.
Okay, so now we're going to cut the cilantro.
So the next step is to cut the garlic really small. We need it for the sauce actually, as well as the cilantro, and we're just gonna add it to the tomato sauce as soon as it's done. So now that we have all our ingredients prepared, put some olive oil into the pan, and then add the garlic, and wait a few minutes until it's cooked. And then you add the tomato sauce and the cilantro. So make sure that the pan is on medium heat, and now that the garlic and the olive oil are mixed, we can put the tomato sauce in. And later add the cilantro. That should be enough. Just place the meatballs in the tomato sauce and then wait until they're cooked. So now we put in 4 eggs on top of the whole meal. And we wait until they're cooked and then it's done. Now that the eggs are cooked, we add a little bit of salt and then just some more cilantro to make it look nice, and then it's ready to serve.
Hey guys, we're done cooking. We're about to try all the food and see how it tastes.
Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so this is the Moroccan way to eat it. You need to use your 3 fingers. Don't use this one. So just need to take it like this. Use the bread a bit.
So this was it for today, guys, and it was a nice example of how to cook an only 10-pound meal for you and your friends. Thank you for that Moroccan dish, Yunus.
You're welcome.
Please follow and subscribe us on YouTube and on Instagram, and like our posts. We would be happy to see you there.
Slama.